Welcome back again, ladies and gentlemen, to Software Engineering Innovation. I'm super excited that I'm making this video right now, and also I'm appreciating God for your life. You guys out there also watching this video. Honestly, it has been the grace of God helping me throughout this session and series, documenting my journey here on YouTube. I'm super excited. Right, in this video, I'm going to be uploading the full project of the national, of the mini surveillance activity tracking system. Honestly, this project is a bit basic, so I'm going to be showing the full project right now. And currently right now I'm in my front end. Look at the tracking system front end, look at some of the codes. Remember, mind you, this project is done using not HTML, using React, Express, and Tailwind. I'm not the one that started the project. ChatGPT was the one that started the project, but the logic was built 90% by me, by the help of the Spirit of God. All right, the first thing that we are going to do right now, we are going to be going back to the backend file. Here's the backend file. We want to connect this backend to the database, right? As you can see, the last project I uploaded concern that file upload system. Honestly, the project was not that it was not cleared. I was not happy about it, but this one I'm going to try my possible best to make everything work perfectly so you can see it. All right, the first thing that we are going to be doing, you can see I increase my screen, my laptop screen, which is going to drain the battery. Well, let me still increase it. Right, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to be running the node. I'm going to be starting my server by running this command node server.js. If I run what server.js, this is the main, it's just like the CEO of the backend file, because this is where the requests are going to be coming in. Why am I having why am I having this error from? They said I have a reference error. Let's debug it for my auth route. Okay, let's go to auth route middleware. Auth route, I'm having an error there. Where am I having this error? Controller Rativa. I have to control S. You see where the error was coming from. I included an E here. So I control S and I run the command again. Run server.js. Okay. I just hoped, yeah, it's gonna connect, it's gonna work. We use async and wait because connecting to the database take a time. As you can see, it's loading. That's why we do use async and wait to pause the server. You can see MongoDB connected successfully, and I log the ports, right? So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to come back to the front end. Yeah, this is my front end. Then I'm going to go to the terminal. Man, you don't have to excuse me right now. I'm going to come to the terminal. What I'm going to do right now, I'm going to run this command npm run dev, because we have to use localhost, right? So you're going to spit out the localhost, right? All I just have to do is to copy this localhost to my front end, Control C by copying, then come to my Chrome browser, then I'm going to paste it in the browser by pressing Control V. Beautiful. All right, it's loading. Tracking system front end is loading. We have a little bit of error. You can see my laptop is a bit hot. You can see this create account. Wow, this started using ChatGPT was once tried this component, but what I'm going to be doing, I'm going directly to login, because honestly I've exhausted all my emails. You can see all these emails, I've exhausted all of them because of the project I'll be building in. All right, let me input my password. Let me show the password right now. 055 okay. Login successful. Wow, this is the dashboard. Yay! Wow. ChatGPT was one study project, but let me show you all the functionality. Right, you can see this is a surveillance dashboard. You know what? Let me refresh, because I was having let me refresh. Yeah, you can see the total. There is I was trying to fix this error because I have to refresh, because when I was using use effect, one of the major aspects of using use effect is to run a component when is to run your project when the component mount, just like as I log into my page right now. One of the things that use effect do is to load the component. Right now you can see the total users that is from the database is 5 users. The total file that have been uploaded is 1. All right, you see the logout button here. Once I click logout, the token is going to be I remove the token and navigate to log it back. You can see the search name, where you got to search your name. This page and you can see authentication. We just test authentication system by logging in. That is authentication system, it work. And this is for the user management system, and this is the file upload system. And there are some other functionalities that we included. You can see this loading here is loading is refreshing the database for every 10 seconds. It's going to fetch the number of users in the database, right? The number of files and the number of users. All right. So what we're going to do right now is to go and create a new user. Like me, I am an admin, because this, like I said in my previous video, this project, one of the key features that we added a role-based access control. The user cannot create a user, neither can a user delete user. Admin only, or admin and officer have the right to do those things. So what I'm going to do right now, I just want to create a new user by saying, oh God, should I create or edit? Because I've exhausted all those emails right now. Let's edit. Let's try editing. Oh God, I could have tell. You can see I've used all the email. Amaka, favor. Okay, let me just try and create new one. Okay, let us say which name should I use? Should I use Gracie? Remember, you can see the total users is 5. Let's say name Grace. Let's say email for Grace. We should use grace1 gmail.com. Then the password, let us say grace123. Then let's say let's go for Grace. Let's say Grace, you are an officer, and let's click create button. User created successfully. This was what I was struggling endlessly in the last project. You can see my total user now is, yes, 6. Yo, and I still have an error here. God, why this thing is still, where I did the auto refresh after creating the user, the name, the issue refresh. I don't know why it is still here. God, I just noticed an error which I'm going to fix in the next project. You can see the total users is 6. Now let's test we just test one of the CRUD operation, which is for creating user. Now let's test edit and let's test delete. All right, now for edit, let's say let's edit Amaka. Okay, you see, as I click edit, it's going to auto refresh. It's going to, oh God, program is so cool, man. As I click edit, we use the text to do this right now, because I can't explain the project, but maybe I will show you I did it. Once I click edit, it's going to auto refresh Amaka details. What the hell? Okay, why am I still seeing Grace password? My project is still not working though. Okay, let's click I click favor. You see favor, let's click Grace. I'm noticing some error here, Grace. But now let's just click Amaka. Let's edit Amaka name. Amaka to like which name should I use? Noah. Did everyone remember Amaka password? God. Let's see. Amaka 123. I just hope I remember Amaka password. Update user. User updated successfully. Let's check if it works. You can see Amaka name have been changed from Amaka to Noah. Let's edit Paul. Rule to okay. You can see I've clicked Paul. Oh God, did I remember Paul password? I don't think I remember Paul password. I was just saying nigga. Okay, let's try to edit Vera rule. I think I might remember Vera password. Vera nice email password. Let's see Vera 123. Also, let's edit our role to admin. Update user, just user updated successfully. You can see my updated user clears, but I don't know why my creating user does not clear. Well, I'm going to do that. You can see very nice, which means my authentication system work, my create user work, my user table work, which is the CRUD operation. Okay, can we try delete? Let's try delete. No, I'm not deleting this. This one is my own. This one is for me. This is what I'm using to access. Let's delete Grace. So you can see I included this thing in the user table, that any user that very soon I'm going to replace this alert with a toast. I've not learned how to toast. toast is it request? I not have to toast for notification. Remember, yeah, I'm gonna be adding that too. Okay, I'm not gonna be deleted. The total user now is 5. You can see my okay. Can we search for name? Look at my search. My search is working. Let's search. Let's see. If you look, notice. Look at the sidebar. Look at this sidebar. Once I click favor, you'll be looking at the sidebar is going up. Okay, you can see the if I come down now, you're going to see favor comes up. We are searching for name. Just imagine that my data, this dashboard is over like 100 users, 200, 1000, 1 million, 150 million. This is how we search for name. Let's say Noah. We just edited Amaka to Noah. That's what I actually test right now to see if you can see Noah just came up. And now let's test. I think I included um the is short BS. I included it. This project and guy. Ooh, why did I refresh? Okay, I think let's sort. You can see. Let's look at Adafi, Favor, Noah, Paul, and Veronice. Let's sort for the users. We're gonna see. Look at. Let's set alphabetically. You can see Vera came up, Paul came up, Noah came then. What? Okay, this let's sort ascending now because there's no way V can come before. Yeah, that's with people Noah. I was Charlie Chuck. All right, the last feature we're going to be testing right now is the my token expiration is 15 minutes. Then let me hurry up so that my token will not expire. Let's test the file upload system right now. Let's choose the file. Let's choose the file. Let's go down here. I've been uploading this file before. Okay, let's choose something different, quite different. Let's choose this express photo. I'm opening it right now. Upload file. Oh god, yo. I just uploaded on file and you can see my total file. Let's click on upload another file again. Let's upload this my photo. Let's upload the file. File uploaded successfully. You can see two. Let's come down here. Let's come back here. Two files. This is just working like a fully as a surveillance tracking system. I'm going to show you some functionality in the backend. Let me just, oh no, citizen time must be selected. Well, honest, oh god, yo, right, this last file I'm going to be uploading before I'm going to test delete. Let's test this computer photo right now. Open, and let's upload the file. Okay, boom. Okay, how many file now? What is happening here? TV files have been uploaded. So what you're going to do right now, let's test the delete if it actually works. File deleted successfully. Okay, what the hell, man? I included this a lot in many places. You can see it also. So what I'm going to do, you can see this is the project. You can log out right now, but I want to take it down to the backend to show you the audit trailing I was talking about. You can see the audit trailing from the backend. Like look at auth error. No, see, look at the user action, right? Okay, this is the warning. It's a find one update and found in places depreciated. Okay, this is just a warning. Like you can see file feed. Look at the time with 2026 05 10 18. Wow, this time is not actually correct. Look at the file uploaded system. Look at the IP of that is me. This is my IP for my PC. This is the file upload, and many other ones. Right, this is the audit trail you are talking about. Now if we come back to this place, if we come back to like my logs, look at the file that I've uploaded. They're all here. Look at it then. Look at the first one. And look at the second one. Are you seeing it? Look at it in my backend. And for the file logs, all those logs that happen, look at here. You're gonna see no, not here. They are here. Yeah, look at their app log. Look at all the events. There are millions, millions. Look at the event login feed. Yeah, there are more. Get success user. Oh, my laptop is not in screen touch. There are many of them here. All those activities that you are seeing right now, those file upload create system, this is where I log all of them into. Right. Thank you very much. I really appreciate this. Is it. Okay, let me show you that auto. Let's come back to the front end. Let me show you how I did that thing. Look at for the user form. We use effect. ChatGPT was the one who actually got ChatGPT. You are so funny. Look at how you skews all the code down to this place. This is where the magic take place. Look at it for the use effect. You are saying if selected user name selected dot name email selected dot name. You see, I did not include the password because right, it is risky, right? So you will not just know someone's password. That's why I did not include the password. That's why you are seeing grace were showing in another user feed, right? This is how I did it, and I told you that I auto refresh, but I don't know why the password, why did the faith auto refresh. Maybe in our next project, I'm going to find, I will jot down this error, or I'll just note it in back of my brain. And when I'm building the next project, I'll take note of it and I'll fix it. So what I'm going to do, we're going to test the last functionality, which is the logout. It sort work. I'm going to test logout. Film. You can see when you click logout, you're going to come back to register. Then when you want to register, you're gonna create that kind of, but what we are actually fighting for is not a public something whereby user can just create a user, because for the national surveillance system, national biometric system, and AI plate number driven, we are going to have an officer or a super admin that will be creating user for themselves. We'll be creating users that will be creating this account for the citizen. The citizen, I don't know though, but I'm just doing the findings, right? It's not like Facebook whereby you just have to create an account. This is not what you're actually fighting for is not a public something, though it is for the public, but the citizen data, they are extremely important, right? That is what I'm just trying to say. So thank you very much once again, ladies and gentlemen. If you are, if you're excited, or if you are learning one thing, or you're inspired, I just really want you to click the like button, subscribe to this channel, because you're helping the community to grow.